Hi you guys. Okay, so today I'm making a biscuit recipe that's in the Fresh Food Full Hearts cookbook, and it's actually pretty similar to a homemade biscuit recipe that I normally make here. The only thing I'm not going to be adding, like, I'm not going to add anything to it. It's going to be plain biscuits, so no cheese added, nothing additional, but they're still really good, and my son really enjoys this recipe. So right now I'm adding the eggs and milk to the dry mixture here, and then I'll be making the biscuits in a couple of minutes. So stay tuned. Now I'm making the mixture for the homemade biscuits from the Fresh Food Full Hearts cookbook. And so yeah, I'm almost ready to put it in the oven. Just gonna mix this up, make the biscuits, and then put them in and wait about 20 or 25 minutes for them to be done. So the biscuits are ready to put in the oven, and here we go. And now it's time to wait. Biscuits are doing. Ooh, they're just about done.